Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling WSL and the virtual machine platform, because WSL needs both to run Linux containers and kernels. Once done, install a Linux distro like Ubuntu 22.04 from the store. This gives you a shell and package manager. Next, make sure Vscode is installed and add the remote WSL extension, which bridges the editor to your distro. These steps prepare both the OS-level runtime and the editor integration, so you can open a Linux workspace directly. Now open Vscode and press Ctrl+Shift+P, then select Remote WSL. New window to connect to your distro. This spawns a Vscode server inside WSL. Once connected, open an integrated terminal and run apt update, then install build essential or language-specific tools you need. That ensures compilation and tooling work in Linux. Also, install extensions inside the WSL context, for example, linters or language servers, because extensions installed locally won't run inside the Linux environment unless added there. Finish by opening your project folder from the WSL file system. File, Open Folder, then select /home/user/project, so files and permissions stay native. Use the integrated terminal for Git, npm, or pip to avoid cross-OS issues. This preserves line endings and permissions. If things go wrong, try restarting WSL with WSL shutdown, then reopen the remote WSL window. If the Vscode server fails, reinstall the remote WSL extension inside the WSL session to reset the server and fix stale processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.